Namaste, welcome to my Ayurveda Q&A channel. Let's begin with the questions. The first question is, Dashavida Pariksha are mentioned by option 1 Charaka, B Shushruta, C Yoga Ratnakara, and option D Bhava Prakasha. To this, the correct answer is option A. It is Charaka. Shushruta said Shadavida Pariksha, whereas Yoga Ratnakara 8. Next question. Find out the false regarding number of Nanatmaja Vyadis. Option A Vataja 80, option B Pittaja 40, option C Kafaja 10, option D Upayukta koi nahi. To this, the answer is option C, that is Kafaja 10. But the correct answer is Kafaja is 20, Vata is 80, Pitta is 40, Kafa is 20. Third question. All of the following are Aupasargika rogas as per Shushruta, except option A Jwara Kushta, option B Shosha Netra Abhishandi, option C Kamala Arsha, option D Upayukt Koi Nahi. To this, the answer is option C Kamala and Arsha, because Jwara Kushta, Shosha Netra Abhishanda are in the Aupasargika rogas. Aupasargika rogas also said by Bhava Prakasha. They are Kandu, Kushta, Upadamsha, Bhutonmada, Vrana and Jwara. To this, we have one trick, that is उस काका को भूत ज्वर, from U, that is Upadamsha, from Kaka ka Kushta, Ko ka Kandu, Bhuta Bhutonmada, Jwara. So for Jwara, from Va, that is Vrana. Next question. Gati of Vataja Nadi. Option A Jaloka, option B Manduka, option C Hansa, option D Kapota. To this, the correct answer is option A. For Vataja, we have trick as Sarpalok. To this, Sarpa and Jaloka. For Pitta, Ma Kaka. Kaka. Ma Kaka. From Ma Manduka, Ka Kulinga, from Ka Kaka. For Kafa, Kafa usually will be in white in color, so Hansa and Paravata. Hansa and Paravata also in white, so we can remember it as Hansa and Paravata. Fifth question is, Kushta Roga is included in option A Adi Bala Pravruta, option B Janma Bala Pravruta, option C Sanghata Bala Pravruta, option D Daiva Bala Pravruta. To this, the correct answer is option A, that is Adi Bala. The Adi Bala Pravruta diseases are Kushta and Arsha. Thank you. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel.